Hey everyone, this is Chef Vikas Khanna. A big shout out to 10th Bangalore Short Film Fest 2021 and to all the networking participants of Film Market. This is to you for giving stage to all these creative forces so that their voices can be heard. Congratulations. I've always felt that if you have a story in your heart and you have the pain and resilience to tell it, the universe is going to find a way to create a platform for you. You're going to start meeting people, you're going to start increasing your tribe, and you'll be able to tell that story. Being a chef and being in the restaurant industry for more than 35 years, I was moved by a small incident in 2011 in Vrindavan, which helped me to write a story of widows, from which I made The Last Color. And I'm proud that it went to so many film festivals, and I'm also proud that it helped me to tell such a big story with all my passion and honesty. I've been using the platform of storytelling for decades. But when I made Holy Kitchens, it was a series which connected faith and food. It gave me a platform in America to talk about understanding communities, from Sikhism to Muslims to Hinduism. So it was amazing that I was able to tell this story through filmmaking and through food. And that encouraged me to tell the story of widows and their pain, and of course a celebration of color through The Last Color. At the same time, I feel that I have been very blessed to always find like-minded people, and that helped me to keep going on. As an experience from the kitchen to filmmaking, it's very similar. Both are putting a team together to tell that story or to make that dish to be served. And I'm proud to call myself a person who gravitates towards stories of human spirit and makes documentaries and films about it. As an artist, whenever I create a dish or a movie, the most important mission from my heart is that more people should be able to taste it. More people should be able to watch it. More people should be inspired from it. And same thing is for Barefoot Empress. I just want more people to watch it. So that can only happen with better distribution, with people who can believe in the project just the way we are and try to reach out to more and more people. Because this is not just a story of Kartiyani Amma who begins her education at 96. It's a story of human spirit, of not giving up. So my only way to tell this story to much bigger audience is with your support, to reach out to more people. My best wishes to all the networking participants of Bangalore Short Film Fest 2021. May your vision expand, may your story be heard, and may your heart be fulfilled with what you've achieved. All the best.